On this video, I want to discuss the future mods that are coming real soon for Pepe. I've got some portals, a 4-inch 30% gear reduction from Super ATV. Also got a bunch of other stuff on the Black Friday sale back in November. Rhino 2.0 axles, some carrier bearings, some 300M ball joints, and some chromoly U-joints to put in. Up until very recently, nobody made any kind of replacement tie rod, a heavy-duty one or anything. I finally came across some by Performance side-by-side bushings that are extremely heavy-duty, and I ordered them. Several months back, I picked up a set of bearings and seals. Basically, it's a rebuild kit for the front diff from Sandcraft RCR. It's a pretty heavy-duty kit. Most manufacturers just put adequate bearings in their builds. They don't really put real heavy-duty stuff in them. So my goal was to make the diff pretty much trouble-free, quiet it up a little bit, make it run smoother. She's got the first of 5 boxes of the Portal packages. Let's open this thing up and see what they sent us. It is the hardware package. Looks like it's got some brake parts, new brake lines, maybe the steering knuckles. I'll have to open those up to see, but that's kind of what it feels like. Maybe it's the brake mounts. Okay, so here's the Rhino 2.0 axles for the General XP. They were ready just before Black Friday. I got them on the Black Friday special. Pretty cool. They had the front out for a while because it's the same as the regular General, but the rear was actually a different, I'm assuming length. I'll know more when I do the install, but this was all preparation for the portals. So here's one of these heavy duty axles. Here are the Super ATV 300M ball joints. They are very well built, probably virtually indestructible with that 300M. But when you're going to put portals on, you need the most strength you can in the ball joints because that's a high wear point for the, just to increase the reliability of the machine, or these Super ATV carrier bearings. I went with the cast, I didn't go with the billet. I didn't really think that area needed the extra strength. Hopefully I won't regret that. I also got the extended grease Zerk deals. These are the Super ATV heavy duty U-joints. They're chromoly. They're going to add strength to the drive shaft. Going to the front, of course. Got these to just strengthen a possible weak link. Hate to break down on the trail. The portals are definitely going to take any wear off that point, so by increasing the strength, I'm hoping to never have issues there out on the trail. Also got a Sandcraft RCR bearing and seal kit. While I'm doing all this whole thing, I'm going to pull the diff out and basically rebuild it, put new, extremely well-built bearings in it, and try to make that where it's not a weak link either. Heavy duty steering tie rods that I got from Performance side-by-side bushings. Up till now, nobody has made steering tie rods, heavy duty replacements or anything for the General XP. These were the first ones out, made of 7075 aluminum. They are stout. Okay, so here's the 4 brackets. This is a rear bracket. I guess you would probably call that the right rear bracket. And this would be a right rear portal. I believe they're common to the right side and the left side. Front and back are the same, but the sides are different. And then here is a rotor. Rotor's pretty well made. Pretty slick. Goes down there like that. Then here is the right bracket. So the brake goes in the back. These brackets are pretty heavy duty, very well built. I'm impressed with the build on all of these parts. My plan from the very beginning was to put portals on this machine. With it being an XP, Super ATV has been, well, all the manufacturers have been a little slow getting parts for them, and with COVID, it's kind of complicated everything. But they finally got them set up. I had pretty much decided the GDP Portals were the way I wanted to go from everything I've understood about them. I'll be running the 32s for a little while before I put the 35s on it. I've got to modify the cage so I'll be able to get it in the garage. So the cage is going to have to lose about 4 inches. So that'll be down the road. Well, that's about it for the parts that are planned to be put in for this install. The install should move forward probably about the 8th of February. That is when I've put some vacation in. I've got 7 days. So nothing really get in the way of getting this project done.